Cell Part 1. Who discovered the cell? Robert Hooke. The cell was first discovered and named by Robert Hooke in 1665. The structural and functional unit of life is cell. Which organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondria. Mitochondria is the main sites of energy production within the cell. Question number 4. Which organelle is called the suicide bag of the cell? Lysosomes. Plant cells differ from animal cells in having one of the above. The jelly-like substance present between the cell membrane, the nucleus, is cytoplasm. Which organelle is responsible for protein synthesis? Ribosomes. The site of photosynthesis in plant cell is chloroplast. DNA is mainly found in nucleus. Which of the following is not found in a prokaryotic cell? Nucleus. The function of the cell wall is providing shape and protection. Which organelle is responsible for packaging and transport of protein? Golgi apparatus. Which cell organelle contain digestive enzyme? Lysosome. The double membrane bound organelle is mitochondria. Which of the following is a semi-permeable structure? Cell membrane. The functional segment of DNA are called genes. The process of cell division in somatic cells is called mitosis. The green pigment in chloroplast is chlorophyll. The largest cell in the human body is ovary. The smallest cell in the human body is squamous. The fluid inside the nucleus is called nucleoplasm. Which of the following is not a function of the macule? Photosynthesis. The process by which cell take in liquid from the surrounding environment is pinocytosis. Which cell organelle is responsible for cellular respiration? Mitochondria. The outermost layer of animal cell is cell membrane. The main function of ribosomes is protein synthesis. Which of the following present plant cell but absent in animal cell? Cell wall. The organelle responsible for detoxification of harmful substance is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Which of the following is not a part of the endomembrane system? Mitochondria. The basic difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell is presence of nucleus. Which organelle is involved in the synthesis of lipids? Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The main function of centrioles is cell division. Which of the following is a non-membranous organelle? Ribosomes. The process by which a cell engulfs a solid particle is phagocytosis. The main function of the cell membrane is selective transport. Which of the following is not a function of the Golgi apparatus? Lipid synthesis. The cell theory was proposed by Skeldon and Schwann. Which of the following is not a function of the cytoskeleton? Protein synthesis. The smallest living cell is mycoplasma. The largest cell organelle in a plant cell is vacuole. The main function of chromosomes is getting genetic information. Which organelle is known as the cellular post office? Golgi apparatus.